Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Natasha. Welcome to today's video. So as you can tell from the title, this is a big chop. I'm doing a big chop today. As you can see, my hair is a big afro. I've been growing this out for I think 3 years now, and it was nice. I feel like I'm breaking up with my hair. Yeah, it's been nice. It was fun while it lasted, but I'm just not feeling my hair anymore. The ends are crispy. I guess I can blame it on the color because I've colored it quite a number of times. Though in my defense, I feel like I did all the right things to protect it from breaking, so I don't really understand why it's doing this to me. Like, my hair isn't loyal at all. So it looks, when you look at it, it looks like healthy hair. It's big, it doesn't look like it's breaking, it's very thick, but then I can't get a comb through it. Like, even before this, I was trying to blow it out so I could cut it better, but behind, like, nothing happened. It couldn't, the comb couldn't go through. It was just like, so I've had it. I'm cutting my hair today, and yeah, so I don't even have a proper plan or what hairstyle I want to do, or I mean, what is it, hairstyle, what shape I want it to be in. All I know is that I'm done with it. I want it gone. Like, every day I wake up and I look at it and I feel so stressed. It stresses me out, and I wanted to keep it so bad. Like, I have a big event coming up this year, and I wanted to style my hair in its length and everything, with its fullness and what. That's what I wanted to do for this big event. But now I don't think it's going to happen. I can't even wait till after that day because I'm just so stressed out. It's so, yeah. We had a good thing, me and this hair, so the fact that it's doing this to me right now, I don't understand. The split ends, not to mention, oh my god, the split ends are like, I've never seen that kind of split end on my hair. Like, and I keep looking at it. I keep pulling my hair down to look at it, to look at the ends, and the splits are serious. It's I don't know what they're called, but then the ones that branch out like roots, and then also the ones like in the middle somewhere, and it looks like it has little holes, like the strand. Like, if I get such a strand of hair, if I look at one hair if I look at one of them and just look closely, I can see like little parts where it's open. It's not like broken, but then it's just open, then it closes back, then it opens again. That's what it's doing. Then it's like kind of like roots or branches, I don't know. So yeah, I'm cutting my hair. Split ends on a serious level. It's hard. It's not enjoyable to do anything to it, so I'm done. So yesterday I even went out and bought myself a pair of scissors. I was looking for the professional hair shears. The professional hair scissors. Forgive the lighting. I think the sun keeps going behind some clouds or whatever happens, but yeah, the sun keeps coming and going and coming. Yeah, so I was looking for the professional ones, but I couldn't find them, so I just bought a pair of sharp scissors, and I hope this will be good enough. So that's what I'll be doing. I have my mirror over here, so if you see me looking this side, I'm just looking at the mirror. So yeah, my heart is beating so fast now. It's like I'm having a mini panic attack. Okay, let me drink some water. That's enough. That's enough. Get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of yourself. Okay, so I'm going to start with this side. I don't even care like to tie it up and do it nicely. I just want to chop it. Okay. Oh, let me just tie off half of it. I didn't even wash it. Like from my last hairstyle, if you check my channel, I did a flat twist and I didn't even wash the product out. I just want to cut it and then wash my hair at once and get back to the way things used to be. This really sounds like a relationship. So cute. I won't be making any more Minnie Mouse puffs. Okay. You got this. You got this. Okay. So I'll film myself for a bit, then at some point I'll just let you watch a speeded up video so that it doesn't bore people too much, because this can get boring. So yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Let me see. Now I know it's real. I felt that in my soul. Okay. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Oh my gosh. It's not even a lot. I need to get serious. I'm scared to go lower, but I need to do that. Okay. Oh my god, it's serious. Wow. I didn't even bother telling my mom, my sister, nobody, because they're going to say stop it. But this is personal. This is my own personal decision. I'm a grown woman. What? What is wrong? bye.